Most people in this category spend weeks researching and still end up with regret. Not because they made the wrong choice, because nobody told them what actually matters. This review is going to be different. I am going to tell you the things most reviewers skip. You have probably read the spec sheets. You have seen the star ratings. And you are still not sure. That uncertainty is not a you problem. It is a signal that most reviews are written by people who spent 45 minutes with a product, not 45 days. The question you are really asking is not what this product does. The question is whether it is going to actually change anything for you. That is the question I am going to answer. I tracked this product through multiple price cycles before sitting down to record this. I compared it against the alternatives that serious buyers in this category actually consider, and I looked at what happens after the purchase, not just before. The LG LT1000P 6-month/200-gallon capacity replacement refrigerator water filter, NSF 42, NSF 53, and NSF 401. ADQ7 4793-501. ADQ7 579-5105. AGF 80300704 or AGF 80300705. White earns its place by doing something specific very well. That something starts with about this item. LG refrigerator water filters provide high-quality drinking water by removing contaminants like pesticides, chemicals, and detergents. Provide cleaner, fresher, and better-tasting water and ice for your family. Only genuine LG refrigerator filters guarantee proper fit from the moment you install it. Third-party filters can cause damage, are not covered under the LG warranty, and can even lead to unnecessary repairs. Only genuine LG water filters are certified by NSF International to meet industry-leading filtration standards. NSF 42, NSF 53, NSF 401. About consistency of experience. There is one limitation I want you to know before you decide. A price that reflects real value. Not everyone will weigh that the same way, and I understand that. If that specific thing is a deal breaker for your situation, I respect that completely. But for the majority of buyers who are looking at this product, the overall trade-off still lands clearly on the right side. Pricing on this model has not been stable. I have watched it move enough times that I would not trust any number I write here today. The figure you see right now is not what I saw a month ago, and it is probably not what you will see in another month. Sometimes that movement is upward. Sometimes it is a significant discount. The only way to know which side you are on right now is to check the live link. Amazon prices on this model are moving constantly. I have placed the link below so you can check if the current discount is still live.